Officials at Grays Harbor Community Hospital and Harbor Medical Group say ransomware infected their electronic medical records. The information includes names, dates of birth, and social security numbers. Hospital officials alerted the FBI and recovered much of the patient information, but some is still encrypted. As with many ransomware attacks, those behind the encryption are demanding money. But instead of cooperating, the hospital says it's rebuilding that information.
If you are a hospital patient, really your patient information is safe. That particular system was untouched, primarily because it's an older system and they maybe didn't know how or didn't want to encrypt it, or maybe it wasn't encryptable. We do work on older systems here.
Hospital officials don't think any personal information was leaked outside their own databases.